Another key component of fitness is flexibility. Flexibility is our ability to move a joint through a range of motion. We often think of flexibility as stretching, but there are different types of flexibility exercises. They could be static, which you do without moving, or dynamic, which you do while moving. The more active you are, the more flexible you're going to be. Being flexible has many benefits. First, flexibility helps to loosen and lengthen our muscles, meaning we're less likely to become injured. Flexibility also helps us to improve our posture and our balance. Flexibility also helps us to strengthen our muscles and means that they work more effectively. So your sport performance or your performance in exercise is going to be better. And finally, flexibility and activities like yoga are seen to have a really positive impact on our mind. They help us keep a really good mental state and feel more relaxed.